Guys, today I am going to show you how to use Visual Studio Code to edit HTML and write HTML. So first, if you haven't already downloaded and logged in to Visual Studio Code, click the link in the description and it will take you to this website. So there are three ways you can download. You can download from here, and if you click this you will get all the other platforms, or you can scroll down to the end and there is one way. You can click over here or over here, and here is the way you want to download it. So if you want to download 64-bit and user installer, then you click here. But if you want to download zip 64-bit, then you download here. You click over here. Or you can click here and it will open the same page. It opened the same page. So it's the same thing, but now we will download it. So I will click this one and now it will download. Over here, as you can see, it's downloading. It's 60 MB. And if it did not download, you can click on this link. I will pause the video right now and I will unpause it when it finishes downloading. After it's downloaded, you click on the file and it will open here. Then you do run and it will start. I already have Visual Studio Code, but I will close it and I'll show you again. Then this will open. Then you have to do I accept. You have to read all this. Then you do next, and you can do create a desktop icon, and then you can just start, or you can just do all. Add open with code action. Yeah, then you click install. Then you wait and it will install. And it's free. Visual Studio Code is free, so you don't need to waste any money. Now you launch Visual Studio Code, then you go in File Explorer, wherever you save all your files, then you create folder and give it any name you want. I'm gonna give it Visual Studio Code. Then I'm gonna go here, open it. Then when you go to file, then you have to go to open folder. Then you go where you saved it, so VS Code, and then it will open this. So then you have to go here, search extension, then you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi, and if you are not connected to Wi-Fi it won't work. So then over here you will have to write live server. Then you have to download the first one. I already have it downloaded, so I will not download it, but you have to click on it and then it will download. So after it's downloaded, you have to click on new file. Then you have to name it anything you want, VS Code, and you have to give it .html or it won't work. Now when you save, you can see that it's HTML. So now you can type whatever you want with HTML. So HTML, and I'll show you how to open it in Google also. So first I'll put head, slash head title VS Code. Then I'm gonna give body, and I'm just gonna put H1, and I'm going to write VS Code using HTML using VS Code. Now, after you save it, you have to go here, and when you right click on the file, then you have to do open with live server, or you can do Alt L, Alt O, uh, and click on it. Then it will open over here. As you can see, it's working. Thank you.